In this video, we'll start building the To-Do List app from scratch, and our first task is to create a new Nokkio project. To do that, we'll need to install the Nokkio CLI. Copy and paste the installation command into your terminal, and Nokkio will be downloaded and installed. I've already done this, and I can run Nokkio version to see what version is installed. Next, we'll use Nokkio Create to bootstrap a fresh application. Pass the name of your project, and Nokkio creates a new folder and fills it with the basic structure of a Nokkio project. Now we can change into that directory and run the project using Nokkio dev, and voila, our new project is up and running in the browser. I'll make a quick edit by opening the pages index.js file, and our change is immediately reflected in the browser. By default, Nokkio projects use JavaScript and CSS modules for styling. You can tweak this to your preferences though, as the create command provides opt-ins for Typescript and Tailwind CSS. We're going to use both in this example project, so I'm going to delete the previous project and recreate it with both Tailwind and Typescript enabled. Like before, the new project has been created, this time with tailored configuration to make both Typescript and Tailwind work right out of the box. Okay, our new project is up and running. In the next video, we'll start building out the application's home screen and talk through how Nokkio's layout hierarchy works. See you there.